When you hear the words, "You have cancer," you begin an unexpected journey, full of questions and uncertainty. But when you receive care at a ProCure Proton Therapy Center, you encounter a team of trusted professionals ready to guide you every step of the way. Welcome. Just beyond the smiling faces that greet you, a beautiful, bright, and airy lobby opens before you, with plenty of room to stretch out and relax. A refreshment bar, books, a children's game and puzzle room, high ceilings and sunlight. Every detail has been designed to give you and your loved ones a wonderful experience with us. Each time you visit, your comfort comes first. As you prepare for treatment, you'll notice details that feel more like a home than a medical facility. Cushy robes and slippers, a peaceful setting, a team that not only knows you, but knows your family as well. Behind the scenes, incredible science takes place. It all begins at the cyclotron. It may sound like science fiction, but this is science fact, capable of treating tumors in ways once thought impossible, with minimal side effects. Deep inside the cyclotron, hydrogen gas gets a jolt of electricity, causing the atoms to eject a proton. The cyclotron spins these protons to get them moving at more than 223 million miles per hour. Then, magnets guide a beam of protons from the cyclotron to the treatment rooms. This unique technology is what makes proton therapy invaluable to patients like you. You are a unique individual with unique treatment needs. Proton therapy is customizable, able to deliver an accurate dose of radiation directly to the tumor while sparing more healthy surrounding tissue. Even the tools that are used to treat you are unique to your needs, one of a kind in the world. The machine shop creates an aperture and a compensator for you. These custom-milled devices shape the proton beam to the exact size and shape of your tumor. We'll utilize these devices in one of 4 treatment rooms. When you're ready for the day's treatment, a radiation therapist will escort you to your treatment room. Your radiation therapist creates a special cushion or a special mask just for you that helps position you comfortably on the treatment couch. Our first room, the fixed beam room, delivers a beam of protons from a fixed horizontal angle that is appropriate for many types of cancer, including prostate and lung cancer. 2 of our treatment rooms house an incline beam, which can be repositioned vertically up to 30 degrees. This adjustability makes the incline beam effective for more than 80% of our patients. Depending on your treatment, you may also be able to utilize our comfortable treatment chair. ProCure is one of the only proton therapy facilities to offer it. Our final treatment room contains the gantry. There are few of these technologically advanced machines in the world. This amazing tool can rotate a full 360 degrees, locking in on the perfect angle to deliver proton therapy to almost all types of solid tumors without exposing healthy tissue. And ProCure offers an anesthesia bed, the only of its kind, which allows patients to fall asleep and receive treatment without having to be physically moved from one bed to another and back again. This is especially helpful for younger patients in our care. The rest of the ProCure Proton Therapy Center is filled with offices and meeting spaces that help some of the world's leading oncologists and other medical specialists collaborate, pioneering new ways of eliminating cancer. Every detail of every room, every role of each ProCure team member that you encounter is designed just for you, to keep you comfortable and to restore your health. We don't just invest in amazing technology, we invest in you. Because you are our entire focus, you, your family, and your care. Our goal is simple, to get you back to your normal life, pursuing your dreams, missing none of life's special moments.